I know you like me when I'm all juicy and wet like this. I've just got out the shower, I'm all juicy and wet. And I know you like me when I'm like this, because I like you when you're like this. I like you and you like me, and we all like each other. Like it. Good evening. Hello. It's been a long time. I just want to start off by apologising, man, for the pure lack of videos. As a fellow university student, in other words, a clever motherfucker. Basically, I've been at uni, and I've been working my ass off, mate. I've been working my ass off. I spent the last 2 years sitting around doing nothing really, man. Picking shit out of my arse and flicking it at small children across the road when they're coming home from school. But as it's my last year, I figured, Ryan, you've got to try now. You've got to try. Even though the past 2 years you've passed with doing nothing. Last year, I didn't sit in my seat once. And I still passed the year. I don't know how I do it, man. I am just a talented geezer. I am a talented young boy. Look at the talent in my face. You can just tell. You look at this eye, talent. You look at that eye, talent. You look at this mouth, talent. Everything is talented about my face, and I know that. You ain't got to keep telling it me. You ain't got to keep commenting me, Ryan. You're so talented. I know I am. No, I'm not really. But yeah, I don't know really. This is just a casual update, man, just to say that I am still alive. And I don't know, like, considering now that I don't have as much time to make videos every single day to do this, that and the other, feel free to drop me a message if there's something you want me to talk about, if there's something you want me to do, if there's something, I've got a few more prank calls that I want to do and shit like that, man. But I don't know if there's, because as time is very limited, if there's something you want to see, just let me know, man, and we shall get on this shit. I'm here for you. As you can see on my lip, man. Cold sore number 2. It's still there from the old one, but it's not. It's a new one. I don't know what's going on. I'm just riddled. I'm riddled with full-blown AIDS. It's just a struggle being me. Take a breath of fresh air, you fat bastard. But yeah, really, that's it. I haven't really got much to say, have I? Nah. I'm going to keep burping and see if Janet says anything. Janet's what I call my mum. Take my glasses off, man. Pure, crusty ass reflections. Look at those bags. Man's tired, bled. Man's tired. How long before she tells me off? Oh God, I feel sick.
Stop being so filthy.
Did you like that, Mum? Janet? Whew. Mum? I'm the money dispensing machine.